Finding the right product is the most crucial thing for any business. And if you are someone struggling to find that perfect product to boost your online sales, look no further. In this video, I will show you how to master the art of product research using eBay Terapeak research. And guess the best part, though eBay Terapeak is mainly for eBay, still you can use it for Amazon or any online store. And you know what the most interesting thing is? You will be working with the real, accurate data, not just estimations. Greeting my friends, this is Shathil, your host for today's video. So without any further delay, let's explore the world of eBay Terapeak research together. You may ask, why Terapeak? What's so special about it? Well, it's simple. Terapeak provides real-time data on every eBay listing, enabling you to pinpoint those winning products. With data analysis and visualization bundled into a single platform, market research becomes very easy. You can dive into listing details like prices, images, and data-driven keywords. And guess what? If you are thinking global, Terapeak's got your back. It reveals eBay's international bestsellers too. So, it is a powerful tool that analyzes eBay's supply, demand, and pricing data to help you find the hottest products. It can also be used for Amazon and your online store. Terapeak offers two individual tools. First, Terapeak Product Research. Second, Terapeak Sourcing Insights. Let's begin with Terapeak Product Research. Imagine accessing years of real-world sales data for millions of eBay items. Metrics like average sales, price, listing sold, item condition, and more, all at your fingertips. Next up, Terapeak Sourcing Insights, your compass to high demand, low competition eBay product categories. With Terapeak, you will make informed decision on what to sell, leveraging the power of data to carve your path to victory. Now, how to use it? Step 1. Launch eBay Seller Hub and navigate to research. Step 2. Click on Terapeak Product Research. Step 3. Enter your keywords and hit search button. That's it. You will get all this data: total sales, total sellers, sell-through percentage, total sold, and much more. With Terapeak Research, you can unveil the magic of long-tail keywords, which can be your secret weapon for discovering low competition, high potential products. Instead of generic terms, go specific. Think iPhone 14 Pro Max 128GB rather than just iPhone 14. And you can exclude unwanted results by adding not or minus before keywords. For example, iPhone 14 Pro Max 128GB minus gold means no gold listings cluttering your screen. You can filter the result for more accuracy, like you can choose your time period, select your marketplace, item condition, listing format like auction, best offer, or fixed pricing, and price range. Factor in eBay fees, product cost, and shipping fees to set your minimum price. You can easily examine the data like average sold price range, average shipping, free shipping percentage, total sold, sell-through rate, total sellers, and total sales. Also, you can check the trend graphs. Peaks signify high demand months. These insights are your key to unlocking e-commerce success. But wait, there is more. If you have Terapeak Sourcing Insights, you are in for a treat because you can easily research categories and unveil search volume, active listings, search to listing ratio, sell-through rate. Well, you might wonder if Terapeak is free or not. Absolutely, Terapeak Product Research is free for eBay sellers. For Terapeak Sourcing Insights, a basic store subscription starting at $21.95 per month gives you even more firepower. Keep in mind, Terapeak is your eBay ally. While it once danced with Amazon, it's now exclusively an eBay partner, providing detailed sales data and insights for your eBay journey. Terapeak has some limitations though. It can only provide data for up to a year in the past, and it can only show revenue, not gross profit. Always double check the numbers with your suppliers before making a deal. But still, it provides a lot more that is really helpful for any seller. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Terapeak and claim your e-commerce throne. Your journey to success begins now. If you have any queries, we are here to help. You can contact us via email at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. You can also check out our website www.ecomclips.com to get useful blogs that may help your business a lot. Our team can provide you with the best solution of all time. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe to our channel Ecom Clips. Thank you for joining us on this Terapeak adventure. Until next time, happy selling.